PMC 𝗧𝗦𝗔𝗧 𝗬𝗏 from 𝗧𝗦𝗔𝗧 Mandal, Hanmakonda district. Today I stand before you with a burning questions. Are we losing our youth to illusion? Are we losing our generation to the silent destroyer that destroys our lives, families and our nation? A small tablet, a puff of smoke and a few drops of poison. The dark side. Drug promise peace but gives pain. Drug promise happiness but gives hope. Drug promise power but gives pain. Let's see how it's damage our life. They damage our organs like lungs, rivers, heart and brain. They show impact on our depression, feelings and memory loss. And now so many members are addicting to drugs and losing their life and their future. And some students are dropouting from schools, failing exams and losing their life. And government is fighting lot. TS-NAB conducting rights and awareness in schools. And so many programs are conducting in schools for improvement in awareness of drugs. And I want to say that we have to be away from drugs so that we can avoid drugs. Conclusion: your parents give you a life. Don't keep it away for a moment of a thrill. And a thrill and a tragedy, they will spoil our whole life. And it shows how we are and how the world is becoming now. Thank you to giving this wonderful opportunity.